Good afternoon! Hello! Magbe-bake tayo ng ating zucchini cake. This is the zucchini cake. Ingredients nito, 1.5 cup of zucchini. We need sugar, white sugar, 1 cup, and then half teaspoon of salt, and then cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and we need flour. I will get my flour. I need 1 quart of all-purpose flour, and of course, pwede na eggs. We need 2 eggs. Yan ang mga ingredients ng ating zucchini cake house. So first, I will shred this zucchini. 1 1/2. Shred natin siya. Just shred. Shred natin. 1 1/2 cup. Now, na-shred na natin yung ating zucchini at piniga natin. Ito na yung 1 1/2 cup. Ating zucchini. I-mix natin yung ating mga ingredients. Zucchini, ang ating sugar, white sugar, 1 cup sugar. Yeah, ito 1 cup. Lalagay natin dito sa ating bowl. The next, lalagay natin yung ating half cup of oil. Vegetables oil. Half cup. Yep. This is half cup. Yep, half cup. Lalagay natin siya. Next lang. Oh, what's that? Then, lalagay natin yung ating isa pang ingredients. Eggs, na 2 eggs. Okay. Large yung eggs nyo. 2 eggs. Okay, sorry. Okay. And then combine, stir it, combine natin. Mix natin siya, yung eggs, zucchini, and the sugar. Sila magkakasama. Ayan. Yep. Now, isi-set aside natin. Mimix naman natin yung ating flour. Tayo ng isang bowl for ating flour. So maybe I can put in here 1.5 flour, 1 1/4 all-purpose flour. Baking powder na half teaspoon, half teaspoon of baking powder, and then where's it? Ang ating baking soda na 1/4. teaspoon of baking soda, ating salt na half teaspoon. I don't have that yet. I will just squeeze it. I can count a half teaspoon of that salt. And then cinnamon. No, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. That's it. Yep, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Then, i-mix natin sila. Baking powder, this is soda, and then mix natin ito. Mix natin yung ating mga dry ingredients. Yep. Sila yung magkakasama. Stir natin. So, i-mix natin yung ating dry ingredients dito sa ating zucchini na may sugar, zucchini, sugar, and egg. I-mix natin siya. Here. It's very simple. Yep. I'll show you guys. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, ayan na siya. So, ready na yung ating baking pan. So, ito na siya. Very simple. Simple ingredients at saka madali lang siya lutuin. And i-sprayan ko yung pan. Pero pwede naman kung hindi i-sprayan, ilagay ng butter oil. Spray. So, yung aking recipe, zucchini cake. Pero this one is optional. So, gusto ko may walnuts. I will put some walnuts. Pero pwede naman walang walnuts, guys. So, this is optional. So, I will put at least half cup of walnuts. For fun. Pwede naman kung ano yung ilalagay niyo. Pero na yung recipe, yeah, I want to mix it. Some walnuts. So, ito na siya. Pwede rin yung gawing 2 layers. Yung zucchini cake. At saka pwede nyo lagyan yung sa gitna niya ng icing. Pero sa akin, zucchini cake. At saka pwede natin later lalagyan ng icing. Mas masarap kapag may icing siya. Depende, pwede naman. Kasi yung iba, avoid sugar. Ayaw maging diabetic or diabetic. That is why they don't like to put the icing in there. So, this is it. We'll wait na lang natin. Ilalagay natin sa ating oven. Set natin yung oven sa 350 Fahrenheit. Then, ang cooking time, set natin sa 30 minutes yung ating cake. Yep. And then start. Okay. So, we will put it now. Cook. So, we will cut our zucchini cake. It's already cooked. It's time to remove our zucchini. It's cooked now. Yep, when we will put icing. Ito na yung ating cake. So, tutuloy natin dito sa ating pan. Oh, let's see. Umusok-usok pa siya. See our zucchini cake. So, pwede natin to turn again. Para yung kanyang taas. Oh. Turn natin. Hulog natin siya. Yup. Ayan na siya. Kita niyo? Oh, nice. Talagyan natin ng icing. Slice natin yung ating cake. Square. Kasi hindi ko siya nilagyan ng icing right away. Kasi sometimes ayaw ko nang may icing. So mayroong part lang na may icing, yung iba wala. So I will slice it. I will show you. I just want to show you. Square. Mababa siya kasi yung aking molding. So malaki. Malapad. This one. Look at that. Gumawa ako ng icing. Buttered icing, so you can put the icing on the top. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Like this. It's easy. You can serve and you can put in the freezer with icing. The freezer, pwede nyo malagay sa freezer, pwede nyo ilagay sa fridge nyo na lang. So that's it. That's it, my cake. I will put more. Yeah. Yep. That's it. Easy. Put in the plate. The other one is no icing. The rest there's icing. Yep. Zucchini cake.